To add a card to Apple Pay, you can do so on various devices, including an iPhone, Apple Watch, Mac, or iPad. On an iPhone, open the Wallet app, select the option to add a debit or credit card, and then tap Continue to follow the on-screen steps. If you've used the card with Apple Pay before, you can select the Previous Cards option. You may need to provide additional information or download an app to verify your card. Once your card is added to your iPhone, you can also add it to a paired Apple Watch by opening the Apple Watch app, tapping the My Watch tab, selecting Wallet and Apple Pay, and then adding the card. On a Mac or iPad, open the Wallet settings, select the option to add a card, and follow the steps to complete the process. If your Mac has built-in Touch ID, you can go to Settings, Preferences, and select Wallet and Apple Pay to add a card. For iPads, simply go to Settings and select Wallet and Apple Pay. If your Mac doesn't have Touch ID, you can enable Apple Pay by turning on Allow Payments on Mac in your iPhone's settings. Regardless of the device, you'll need to verify your card to start using Apple Pay for purchases.